How does Alessio? Hope you're well. In this video, I'm going to take a look at this chart, which many people actually are not paying attention to right now. And actually, many of you have been asking me about, which is the breakout we're seeing here on the chart of silver. So right now, I'm going to take a look at precious metals, and I'm going to explain to you why what's happening on this chart right now could be very important. All right, guys, join me. Alright guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to take a brief look at the chart of silver, which just recently had a major breakout, as you can see here, through this downtrend line. However, also you can see for the last several months, it had been stuck in this coiling pattern. You can see it had been stuck in this large triangular formation, you can see here, and then finally it managed to break out to the upside. You can see it broke to the upper part of that trend line, then retested it, as you can see here, tested that trend line, and then broke higher again, which typically is a bullish pattern. However, even though we have had a bullish breakout from this trend line pattern and this consolidation pattern, we need to be careful here, because you can see what's happened is it's rallied to this 200 daily moving average, this green line you see on my chart. And as you can see here, silver is currently hugging that 200 moving average, the green line. Now, of course, that may have changed by the time you're watching this video. The question is it now going to be able to break through that 200 daily moving average, and can we see follow through this next resistance level at 25.77? So if silver is going to prove to us that it's moving towards an uptrend, if silver is going to prove to us that this is a bullish breakout, it needs to do two things. Firstly, it needs to break above this resistance. Well, actually two resistances. The first one, as I mentioned, is a 200 daily moving average here, as you can see just above the recent highs, but also this level you can see here where I'm marked in the red arrow, 25.77. Essentially, this is the area. This is the resistance zone it needs to break through. So approximately between 25.2 to 25.77. If we get a breakout through this resistance zone, that would increase the probability this is actually a bullish breakout. Also very important, silver also has to remain above this support, which is 23.5. Any break below 23.5, if it happens that is, would negate this bullish pattern. So if silver is going to truly persuade us this is a bullish breakout and not a false breakout, because there are some statistics, courtesy of Jason Geppert, there are some statistics that show that when silver and gold usually see breakouts to the upside, they have typically been false breakouts. Now, I'm not saying this is a false breakout. It could actually be a genuine breakout. What I'm saying is, let's see if we get more follow through. So I want to see more follow through above this resistance range between 25.2 and 25.77. That's the first thing. The second thing is silver needs to also remain above this support, 23.5. By the way, take a look at the weekly chart too. The weekly chart also is very interesting. You'll see that on the weekly chart of silver, it's just hit that 50 simple moving average there. That's the gray line on my chart, and it's hugging that level, as you can see as well. So if silver is going to prove to us that this breakout you're seeing here, this breakout to the upside, retested a trend line, and then moving higher, if it's going to prove to us this is an uptrend and not a false breakout, then it needs to break through that resistance range between 25.2 and 25.77. That's the key level it needs to break through to further increase the probability or the odds that this is likely a bullish breakout. Thanks very much indeed, guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next video update. Bye for now.